Australia is a land of parrots. There are 40 separate species here, and these are my top 10. Starting off at number 10 is the Australian ringneck. This is a large, broad-tailed parrot which is distributed across much of southern and inland Australia. It occurs in 4 colour morphs, which each occupy their own distinct distributions but share the characteristic yellow neck ring. The birds shown here are from the eastern race, which is often known as the Mallee ringneck. At number 9, it's the regent parrot. The male regent parrot is resplendent